Here we're doing an unboxing of the Renpho Solar Smart Body Scale. As you can see, there it is just there. So take a bit of a look at the back, and there's a bit more about the 13 different types of body analysis that it does. Mind you, it doesn't actually does your bathroom scale, and only do the 13 others if you actually connect the app. It will come up there when it's measuring it. So that's something to keep in mind. The actual scale itself is can weigh up to 180 kilograms as well. Now we pop it out there and have a look at it, and it weighs 800 grams itself. So there is a scale just there. Doesn't that look really, really nice? Now, I'm going to take it out. Look, now you've got the solar panel just there at the top. So we take that part off, and there's a solar panel just there in the middle that we use to charge it. Great thing is you can charge this indoor as well as outdoor, which I think is quite fantastic. Now you've got the sensors around the edge there, so that's what you stand on there that actually measures you. So it's got 4 high sensitive electrodes built into it, and under it, it's got 4 precise weight measurements as well under each of those silver nodes there. Again, that's where you actually use to charge it with a solar battery. It's got durable tempered glass as well, so it's very, very strong. Got to turn it on now by flicking the switch, so you can see it come on there. So switch it on. Now you activate it by standing on it as well. So as I said, when you stand on it, it takes your weight measurements, and there's a display up there. Very clear display, good quality device as well. Feels such great quality. As you can see, it's increasing there. So need to connect the app to be able to do it. There's the instruction guide just there and where you need to put it, and the instruction booklet as well. But yeah, once you do it, you can weigh yourself. When you connect the app, it will download all the measurements so you can read them. But looks like a really great scale, and I can't wait to start using it.